Everybody, is Foodie Fatty, and tonight for dinner we're doing surf and turf. So I hope you stick around and join us. We're going to keep the cooking side of this video short and sweet because we're doing a mukbang. Alright everybody, so we're starting with our jalapeno pepper poppers. We have some jalapeno peppers and 2 red peppers here that are going to be going inside of our mixture. I have 1 package of Philadelphia cream cheese, about half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. We have a minced garlic, half a red onion. We're also going to be adding a little bit of sour cream. And last but not least, our hickory smoked bacon. All right, so to get started, we're going to go ahead and chop up all of our vegetables. We have our red onion. We have our red peppers. Then we're going to go ahead and slice our jalapeno peppers in half and clean out the center there where that membrane and the seeds are. We don't want any of those seeds in there. If you want to put some in your mixture for a little extra kick, you can. However, I did not. So we clean those up. And we're going to go ahead and get ready to stuff them with our mixture. But first, we're going to get started with our mixture. We have all of our peppers, our onions. We're going to be adding about 2 tablespoons of garlic there. 1 heaping spoonful of sour cream. We're going to go ahead and add our cup of cheese and our 1 package of cream cheese. And then we're also seasoning it with a little garlic powder, Everglade seasoning, and some parsley. You can also season it with whatever seasoning you like. It doesn't matter. I'm going to add a little paprika in there for color and a nice little smoky kick. Now we're going to mix that all up till it's nice and blended well. And we're going to start stuffing these peppers. You don't want to overstuff them because the mixture will ooze out. And, I mean, some is going to ooze out regardless. So, you know, just try not to stuff too much in there. And then we're going to wrap each pepper with our beautiful smoked bacon. Some people will close the pepper or seal it with a toothpick just to make sure everything's in place. But if you have a long enough piece of bacon, you'll wrap it right around, and there we go. Next up, I have some mussels and some shrimp that I'm just going to steam real quickly in my pot here until they're finished, and we're going to set those aside. Now we have our beautiful Tomahawk steaks that we're going to start. We're going to just clean these up. I'm just taking them out of their vacuum sealed bags. I'm going to give them a quick rinse, and then we're going to pat them dry to get them ready for seasoning. And these are beautiful steaks. They were ordered from Grand Western Steaks. You can go to grandwesternsteaks.com, and they have several different meat packages that you can order for a pretty reasonable price. These are premium cut meats, so you know they're better cut than what you'd get at your local grocery store. So here's our beautiful steaks, and I'm just patting them dry on each side. Now I'm just seasoning them with some pink Himalayan salt. That's the rock salt. So we have pink Himalayan, a little garlic powder, and black pepper. And I'm going to do both sides the same. Alright, so they're ready to go on my griddle here. I'm going to be popping these in the oven. They're going to be cooking at 275 for about 30 minutes. Now here they are. I'm taking them out of the oven. I'm going to check the temperature. You want it to be between 127 to 130 degrees. I'm going to add a little butter, and I'm just going to sear these on each side. So I have a nice crust going there. And these bad boys are about ready. Hey everybody, so here we go. We have our beautiful Tomahawk cowboy ribeye steak. Here we go with the long bone. See that? Juice is dripping. Yes. And then Yeah, so we got that from, oh gosh, I can never remember the name. Grand Western Steaks. And we actually got that from Sous Vide Everything's channel, also aka Guga Foods. He let us use his discount. Well, anyone can use his discount, but you know, I was just really happy that, you know, he put that on in his description box so that way, you know, help others enjoy some of the delicious foods that, you know, or delicious high quality meats that he uses on his channel. So then I also have some jumbo shrimp here, and I just steamed those with along with the mussels here. They're just a regular sized mussels. We were looking for the green shell, but couldn't find any. We have some more mussels back here. Then I also have some jalapeno poppers. These are so good. Yeah, I snuck and had one. So I have 4 of those, a bunch of mussels, 6 or 8 shrimp, and this beautiful steak here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. Oh, I have a sauce here. I didn't have a clear bowl, so I wanted something clear so you guys could see all the goodness and stuff that's in there. So I guess I'll leave it here so that way you guys can see. All right, go ahead and start with a shrimp, because these things have been calling me. They're calling me. I like to suck the juice off the shell. Oh yeah. Look at that. Mmm. 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 I think it's perfect. Now the mussels here were strange. A lot of them didn't open up, so these little guys, I don't know, we'll see. And the funny thing is, a lot of them didn't open. They were supposed to be already cooked. I'm trying to keep my eye focused on where I'm supposed to, right there, not over here. So, they're good though. But I wish more of them opened up because, you know, cut me short. Mmm. Mmm. Hubby's right here in the other room watching the fight. He has a lovely platter just like mine. Mmm. One more mussel. So good. Mmm. I see that little thing there. They say all you have to do is take another shell and you can dig it right off. Easy as pie. Tonight I'm drinking, my hubby brought Cabernet Sauvignon from Woodbridge. Here, Woodbridge by Robert Mondavi. So, the Mondavi Vineyards carried this, and it's pretty good. I like it a lot, actually. Usually you would drink like a white wine with seafood. Well, actually, you could do, they usually say white wines go with seafood and then the red wines go with like beef and stuff like that. But we have a combination here, so I love red wine. It's my favorite. So yeah. All right. We're going to dig into the steak here. I'm going to put my sauce over here. All right, guys. Let's see. Now I have everything propped up here because I wanted you guys to be able to see steak. Oh yes, nice. It's not, I don't like mine super pink, but nice and well done. But it's not like over well done. It's perfect. Perfect. I just dipped it in the sauce, guys. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. When you broil that steak, it gets that nice crunchiness on the outside, and nice and tender on the inside. Oh, this is a fat piece. That's all fat. Oh, God. Oh. All right. That's a piece of what do you call it? Rosemary. Mm. Mm. Oh, melts right in your mouth. You guys, this dang cowboy steak is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Oh my goodness. Mmm. Mmm. Celebrate. And one more. Now, I don't know if I'm cutting against the grain or whatever. That doesn't matter. Usually people cut it off the bone first, but I like to keep it on there. I don't know. What do you guys think? When you guys, any of you have ever had the tomahawk steak, do you cut the meat off the bone, or you just leave it on, eat it, and just like walk around with the bone munching on it, like, you know? Hey, babe.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay. Babe's already full. So, is hubby approved? That's all that matters to me. Mussels. Oh my gosh. I love mussels. I don't even have to have sauce with them, but it does taste good with a nice, like spicy butter sauce. And like, I'm weird because I love clams. I love clams, but I don't like the big ones. They're like steamers. Too big and just weird. But I do like the small and medium-sized clams. But mussels, it's a little different because I like the small ones. And I also like the green shells because they taste exactly the same. I don't know why the steamer clam tastes a little different to me than the small clams. I don't know why. But I don't like it. All right, guys, we're going to go in for a jalapeno pepper popper. I don't know. Here we go. Happy, happy, joy, joy. Oh. So good, guys. So good. And the jalapeno pepper cooks down enough to where it's sweet rather than hot. Because I don't like jalapeno peppers or I wouldn't like the jalapeno pepper popper too hot, but this is it gave it the sweetness and there's no heat. It just tastes really good. The flavor is incredible. Mm. Mm. Lovely, lovely. All right, more steak. It's calling me. It is calling me. So tell me, guys, how do you like your steak? Medium well. Some people like it rare, medium rare, whatever. You know, all the different ways you can make steak. Out of all of them, what's your favorite? Mine's, I would have to say, is medium well. Wait, medium well, yeah. I like it. I think it's called medium well. There's a little pink. A little pink. You know, I like my meat done. I don't like it super red inside. I just don't see how people eat it like that. I mean, I've had, I think I've had, I don't know if it was medium rare. I don't know, but it was really pink for me. And it wasn't terrible, but I guess what I would say, it was weird. But I can kind of see how people like it because you do get that true flavor of the beef, and it's very tender, but I don't know. I was like, nah. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you guys will go out there and make yourselves or you and your families a wonderful meal and just fellowship with each other and appreciate and love each other. So, to family, friends, and love, out to sea. I've been sipping on this wine since before I started cooking, so yeah, it is what it is. All right, so love you guys. Enjoy. And till next time.